I didn't even want to see KFC much more smell it. For about 5, 6 years, I couldn't even drive past a KFC the way I want to vomit. I guess I trained my mind like that. Because there's a lot of things that I never scared of in Jamaica. Like I have a phobia of it now. Like, for instance, slug. Oh, Jesus. If I see a slug right now, girl, it's like I'm gone off of the grid. Like I'm gone, yo. Mud. I used to walk in at that when I was in Jamaica. So you get the secret ingredients to KFC. That lock up tight, tight, tight. Listen, I'm telling you, I'm scared of slug, worm, dirt, like mud, sponge. I can't walk on a sponge. It's like I start to throw a tantrum. I grow a phobia of these things.